Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT in Google search. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome Store, and here you need to search ChatGPT for Google, or you can search for prompts. I'm going to search for Google. Click on that and you need to add to Chrome. Click on continue to install. Click on add extension. So wait for a few seconds, it is now adding. So now you can see it is added. So here I'm going to search for best free website for stock footages. So here you can see that this is the, and here you can see that ChatGPT are also working and it is providing me information. So this is the process by which you can use ChatGPT in Google search. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.